In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ultra wide camera on Instagram Android. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Samsung, but it's the same process on all Android, okay? On Android phones. First thing you need to do is log on Instagram and log into your account. After doing that, you come into the main page and swipe to the right to come on story page. Then just click on any filter right here and swipe until you find browse effects on the last option. Click on top and here you can see several new filters, okay, several new filters on Instagram. What you need to do is click on the to search effects, okay, and type for ultra wide camera. So type ultra wide camera and you will see several filters, several effects with this purpose, okay? So you can select any of these filters and use the ultra wide camera on Instagram Android, okay? I hope I help you on how to use ultra wide camera on Instagram Android. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.